Hi, everybody. Welcome to COVID-19 statistic dashboard. My name is Zuberi, and I'll be taking you through this COVID-19 statistic dashboard. As you all know, for the past 2 to 3 months, the world has experienced the outbreak of COVID-19 virus pandemic, which has caused the world to go into panic and later caused difficulty, inconvenience, and uncertainties, which resulted in countries going through total lockdowns, economy falling, and business collapsing towards fighting this global pandemic threat. As Albert Einstein once said that in the midst of every crisis lies a great opportunity. This situation creates an opportunity for innovators and developers to find new ways to combat this disease and keep people informed about the extent of the virus spreads. As a newly rising developer, I saw an opportunity to create a basic dashboard to keep track of the rising cases of corona COVID-19 as part of making an impact in the world. As you can see here, it is just a basic dashboard. So this dashboard is a dashboard that aims to allow users to get the chance to get live updates on the world COVID-19 cases from the country through an interactive dashboard that consists of charts, graphs, and statistics. As you can see, so this is an effort to provide related information about the corona and the growing numbers worldwide. So the dashboard will allow users to navigate through the data and select countries to check for statistic cases and death. As you can see here, when you hover through the countries, you can see the number of death counts and the number of infected throughout the countries. So as part of this, the project structures. So the dashboard is created using Python programming language as the backend due to its simplicity and efficient for data analysis and manipulation. On the front end, it uses Django framework and CSS with JavaScript to provide a soothing front end experience. To store information, we used SQLite as a database to store the data frames and information accompanied with the Django framework. So, getting to data structures and algorithms, I used lists, dictionary, and set with a little bit of hash maps with specific activity within the dashboard. So, getting to the specifics, one, I used a list due to its behavior and ability to data type like to store data types such as integers as well as strings. Uh, which made it vital to the dashboard. Lists are mutable, ordered, and have a definite count, and hence they can be altered even after their creation, which is a good thing for our project. It becomes a useful tool for preserving sequence of data and further iterating over all, as always, as the data is changed more often because we need to update users on the progress of the infected people throughout the world. I'm storing a list of countries' names, as you can see here, uh, countries names, countries values, dataset for graphs, dataset for maps, logarithmic value for the COVID-19 counts. I'm also choosing list over other data structures to allow easy searching, accessing, and allow iteration because I need to iterate through all the countries in the world. Secondly, I use dictionaries because have ability to store bivariate values, meaning a key and a value, which make it useful to store a pair of countries names and its value to use it in graphs. Also, dictionaries are more often efficient and fast when compared when it comes to lookups because it takes off one. And its nature to be mutable and indexed because it's a crucial part of the dashboard. So dictionaries here in this dashboard will hold country names, as you can see here, country names as keys of COVID-19 counts, and the count for the COVID-19 will be as values. Unique country names as keys and data for maps as values. Axis names for keys and axis value as values. As you can see through here, if you navigate through this views.py, and then so the dictionaries become significant in the aspect that I will want to create a key value pair where the keys are immutable, here being country names, unique names, but the value change over time, here being COVID-19 counts, data for maps values, and axis values. So lastly, sets got its place in this dashboard due to its ability to store unique values. The dashboard required to get the unique values of the country names without duplicates, which was the winner for the search due to its property as well as its other property being mutable. So other consideration that I used in these dashboards, as the data is always updated over a period of time, the list remains an important option due to its property and operations such as accessing, appending, and sorting of the countries. To also avoid duplicates and allow fast searching of elements, sets become more advantageous in selecting and creating unique country names. So I think roughly in this dashboard, it's just a basic dashboard, but it still gives everything about you need to know about the country pandemic. So because if, for example, if you navigate to Tanzania, you can see the total count is 509. So if you go to India, you can see it's 78005. You can also select a country here. For example, if you want to choose US or Russia or Spain. Example, if I choose Spain, it will go to country specific and show the total number of infected in the country specific. So as you can see here, we have a daily accumulated data, and then we also have the rolling mean for 4 days. So you can see the rolling mean for 4 days has been dropping since then, and also the daily accumulated have been rising throughout the past, because you can see here in this date, they got 8,337, but here you can see they have only 112. So this is the dashboard I use, and I think for all YouTube's and Brian Rose for giving us being a mentor for this dashboard. I would also like anyone who has a pull request or who is interested in this project to give me a heads up so that we can work together to modify it and make an impact to the world. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. Thanks.